everyone, take a green sheet of paper and then fold it over into half, add the sleeve shape out of it as such. Cut it open and then make multiple of these. Now make a slit at the bottom as well, fold it over and this is what it should look like. Add tape at the base. Now take a circular green sheet of paper and then add layers to it as such, and this is what you should be left with. Next, we'll start off by taking an egg and then make a small hole into it and then empty out its contents as such. After you empty out its contents, take a marker and then begin to color it in. Now take some tissue paper and then make strips out of it, insert it into your egg as such, add some water to it so that it wobbles as such. Now add a cute little face to it as such. You may do this out of different colors. We have chosen blue, pink and yellow. Take a 21 by 6 cm sheet of paper, make multiple slits on it as such and roll up each of the edges all throughout. Now take a green sheet of paper, make a cylindrical shape out of it. Now roll your pink sheet onto your cylindrical sheet as such. Take a green square sheet of paper and then cut it in half, fold it up longitudinally as such. Now cut it up into the shape of a leaf. Now fold the bottom over as such and then use it as the leaves onto your other stem of a flower. Take a 10 by 10 cm sheet of paper, fold it over into the square triangle and then afterwards fold the edges over outside. Fold it into half as such, add tape onto this end and stick it together. Now make multiple of these and stick 6 of them together as such. Make the stick-like shape out of yellow paper and stick it all together. This is what you should be left with. Next, we'll be learning how to make this bow and arrow. In order to do so, we'll start off by taking 2 earbuds. Now tie them up together using this disco rubber band. Take another one and tie it up together as well. Now this should be able to bend. Take another rubber band and then another, tie 2 of them together and then add it onto each side of your earbud. Now use another earbud in order to use it as an arrow.